Lettuce is an easy-to-grow, cool season crop, which will grow well in the spring and fall in most regions. Early season lettuce can be started from seed indoors 4 weeks before desired transplant date, and later in the season, after soil temperatures have warmed over 40 degrees Fahrenheit, lettuce can be direct sown. Remember that properly acclimated seedlings will tolerate temperature dips as low as 20 degrees, but lettuce prefers temperatures of around 60 to 65 Fahrenheit. Temperatures consistently above 70 to 80 will cause lettuce to become bitter and bolt. Lettuce will grow best in full sun, but tolerates some shade, particularly in warmer climates. To start lettuce indoors, sow seed 1/8 inch deep in seed starting media and lightly cover with soil. Moisten media and keep evenly moist as seedlings are growing. Seeds should germinate in 2 to 3 days at temperatures of around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin fertilizing seedlings once they are an inch tall. Seedlings can be transplanted in about 4 weeks or after they have at least 4 to 6 sets of leaves. Harden off your seedlings before transplanting. Hardening off is a process of slowly acclimating tender seedlings to outdoor conditions. Bring seedling flats outdoors and place in a protected spot, gradually increasing the time seedlings spend outdoors over the course of several days to a week. When transplanting seedlings, space them 4 to 12 inches apart, depending on the variety you are growing. Loose leaf types may be planted more closely together, while crisp head types need more space. To direct sow lettuce outdoors, sow seed 1/8 to 1/4 inch deep. Space seed 1 to 2 inches apart and lightly cover with soil. Keep the soil consistently moist until seed has germinated. When seedlings have 2 to 4 true leaves, thin to 4 to 12 inches apart, depending on the variety you are growing. Lettuce can also be broadcast sown in patches and thinned. This works particularly well for loose leaf or cut and come again types. Lettuce is tolerant to a wide range of soil types, but grows best in cool, loose soil with good drainage. Maintain consistent moisture as plants grow, and mulch plants to help retain moisture and keep the soil cool. Lettuce can be fertilized at the time of transplant or after seedlings have emerged and are several inches tall, with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. Harvest time will depend on the variety of lettuce you've planted. Loose leaf varieties, also known as cut and come again types, can be harvested as soon as 4 weeks after planting. Simply trim leaves as needed, an inch or so above the soil surface. Full maturity is typically 45 to 60 days. Butterhead types are typically mature between 55 to 75 days and harvested when the head is full. Romaine types are also harvested when the head is full, about 70 days after planting. Crisp head types, like iceberg, mature in 75 or more days and are harvested when the head is firm to the touch when gently squeezed. Harvest heading types by cutting off the head about an inch above the soil surface.